Hello and welcome to this video. On this video we're going to be installing this Auzilar corn lamp. It's a special one made for garages or special applications. It's 5500 lumen and 6500 degrees Kelvin for light output. It's extremely bright, so you have to be very careful. So the first thing we're going to do is show you where the bulb is going to go and what the old bulb looks like and how much light it puts out, and then we'll put this one in and show you the comparison. And we'll also put a link in the description for this bulb. Our existing bulb is installed in sort of an alcove type space up where the entrance to the garage is, from the garage to the house. And as you can probably see, it's not very bright. And what we're going to do is keep the same ISO settings so that when we install the new bulb, you'll be able to see the difference. Anyway, it doesn't light up a whole lot and it's not really adequate for our needs. So we're going to install the new bulb. But I want to give a word of caution. Make sure the old bulb is completely cooled down before you try to remove it. Either that or put a cloth around it to remove it so you don't burn yourself. Okay, I wanted to mention that the old bulb was 800 lumen at 2700 degrees Kelvin. This is what the new bulb looks like. Again, it just uses a standard Edison socket for the base, and it's just going to screw in, and then we're going to show you the difference in light output. And also, just wanted to mention, be careful, don't look directly at this light. It's very bright. So I'll get it installed and we'll show you the difference. We now have the light bulb installed and the output is very much lighter and brighter than the original bulb we had in, and it lights up the whole area extremely well. So it looks like a great bulb to try out for your garage or a special application, and we hope to see you again on another video.